Welcome to LetsVenture, India's leading platform for startup investing that makes fundraising easy and transparent for founders and investors. If you wish to raise fund for your startup on LetsVenture, start by signing up as a founder. On the LetsVenture website, choose to raise funds and create a profile for your startup. To create your profile successfully, you need to share a few basic personal details such as name, gender, LinkedIn profile, number of founders, email, and phone number. You must also be ready with startup details such as registered name of the startup, the website URL, sector and stage of the startup, year of incorporation, company type, and city of operation. You are also required to upload the pitch deck for fundraising and add a brief description of your startup in 100 characters. Make sure you keep it crisp and to the point, so investors understand what the startup does. At once, now check your inbox or phone for a one-time password to submit and sign up. Your startup profile will now undergo the initial screening process. Our team evaluates startups based on a unique funding readiness index. The review process usually takes 1 week, post which we will reach out to you. The status of your startup will also be updated on the platform dashboard. To make it for the final screening on LetsVenture, provide more details related to your team, the product, traction, competition, and round information, among others. A tracker at the top of the dashboard shows the percentage of profile completion. The greater that percentage, the higher is your likelihood of clearing the final screening. Once all information is updated, save and exit the platform. Your startup will be reviewed by an internal investment committee of expert angel investors led by Shanti Mohan, founder and CEO of LetsVenture. If approved, our team will help you prepare for a live pitching session with interested angel investors on LetsVenture attending the call. This is your chance to impress and make a good first impression, as founder quality is a key factor in early-stage funding. A recording of the session will also be uploaded on LetsVenture public platform so all investors on the LVAIF can access at all times. With that, your fundraising deal will be made live on LetsVenture. It is now time to sit back and track views, activities, and commitments on the deal in real time. Once the commitment cycle is complete and all the necessary documents are signed, LetsVenture will initiate the drawdown process, transfer the fund to your account, thus marking a successful round of funding. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts and questions on fundraising on LetsVenture, please write to us at startups@letsventure.com.